Alright, see what else we got. I'm pretty sure I know what's in this one. And it's heavy. It's long and skinny. Ugh. Looks like a fork. This is going to be the top. Figure out how they did this. Back up a little bit. Need some room. There we go. Trap door is open, kind of, sort of. Watch your feet. There we go. It's coming out. I figured it out. Resembles a fork. That keeps you from having the fork stop poke a hole through the box. So you put this foam in there, keeps you from doing that. This guy knows how to pack stuff. Good job. Forks are hard to pack. They got so many sharp edges and they're heavy. So they like to break things. Not the first time on a bull game on this guy. You wrap cardboard around the ends of it, gives you more layers of protection. Getting close. It's a black fork. Okay. Definitely narrow glide. Ooh, late model triple tree. 39 millimeter. Probably a steel lower tree. Steel tree. Aluminum tree. See, steel sticks. Steel aluminum doesn't. Ooh, fancy. Fork brace. Right side brake, dual disc. Ooh, with an axle. Yeah, it's complete. It's right off the bike. See a nice carry handle right there. I like that. Tails on this. 21 risers, so it's not a riser. It is a riser. Setterizers. Yeah, you get everything with a spike. That knife is already dull. I just sharpened it earlier. Everything's painted this ugly grayish color though. What's up with that? We have all the bushings. Oh, they're sitting on the fork. There you go. Nice. What's this? Hardware for calipers. Bolts for something. Pinch bolts, fender bolts. Too short for fender. Get all the bolts on this one. I don't know what these are for. Something on the bike. Nice. These are really good rubber. They got urethane in them. These are half-inch through bolts here. Bolts right there. It's the best way for riser. Bolts are very strong. It's hard to break a bolt. Alright, so that goes this direction. Okay. Looks nice. You get a dual disc, 39mm. You know what that means? That means FXR. It also means Sportster, and it also means Dynaglide. Any and all those. This here means what it actually is off of. I can't remember if Sportster has this lock on it or Big Twin has a lock. I don't remember. Either way, that can be cut off. It's in the way. Or you just change out the tree. It's a steel lower tree, not aluminum, which sucks. So it'd be nice if it had aluminum lower tree also. It's got a fork brace on there, or some brand. Don't know whose. Yeah, nice clean axle. No rust on that thing. Damn. It's a nice fork. So there you go. Yeah, these go for big bucks these days, these stupid FXR forks, so if that's what it is. Don't know. Have to look up the tree. We'll put it in the comments and see what it is, or the info section of the catalog, or the video. Damn, I'll get this stuff figured out. It's got 1-inch bearings in it. It's got the through bolt on top. Looks like it's missing the dust shield. I got shorted a dust shield. Damn, what a ripoff. I want my money back. We're missing a dust shield. No dust shield. Damn, this is almost complete. I don't know what those are for though. Something. Pinch bolts are in the fork. Yeah. And the problem with these is these things bind up the forks so they don't work. So you have to play with them and make them where they don't bind. I have a fork brace on my bike here. It's the old U style, see? Big thick ass thing. Stronger than this thing. It mounts off of here. And that has to be made exactly right and shimmed just right, otherwise it binds up the fork. These ones here, they clamp down on the damn fork, and when you pinch them nice and tight to hold good, it collapses the bushing, and the bushing don't want to work. It tears up the bushing. So that's a problem with that style of a fork brace. Alright, let's see. Does this thing work? Restriction. See how it sticks? See that? Kind of sticky. That's because this is probably pinching on it. So you think it makes the bike handle better, but it locks up the front end. Doesn't work as good. It's definitely bindy. Oh well. I'll put that on something. I got me a soft tail street tracker type bike I was working on a long time ago, so it's got single disc front end. Now I got dual disc. So it's your standard 84 caliper mounts down here. This 84 caliper through 99. So that'll work. Got these brackets on the side and here. So these are your 99 and earlier fork. It does not have the air caps in it, so it's not a DX fork. This is the old style fixed adjustment stuff. So the 87, they came out 39 millimeter. So that means 87 through 99, whatever the hell it is what this fork is. So there you go. A little bit bigger than my front end. See, that's 32 millimeter. It's 39 millimeter. Big difference. This thing's a lot heavier than that one too. Way heavier. Probably twice as much weight. Alright, well that's for something. Not sure what. Not a race bike. You don't need dual disc for racing. That just slows you down. That's for street application. We don't give a squat about going fast. You just want to be able to stop. That's the key. There you go. It is heavy. It's a heavy ass fork. So there you go. There's what a heavy ass fork looks like. So I wonder how long this thing is. I had a tape measure on here somewhere. What did I do with it? Right here. I knew I saw one around here. So they're anywhere from 30 to 34 inches in length overall. This one's 32 inches, so it's stock length. It's got an fxrt. S usually has the dual brakes on it. Those are usually 34 inches tall, as I recall, so this is only 32. So I'm sure they'll leave me comments about what a 32 fork is, and you got that fork stop in the back. It's made out of steel. Steel's real nice because the fork locks don't get damaged, but it's heavy. I like aluminum better than that. But, oh well. I'll figure it out, or somebody leave me a comment what it is. My guess is probably a Sportster front end, but not sure. We'll see.